Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how do you update DaVinci Resolve to the latest version. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply go ahead and follow along the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So guys, on the DaVinci Resolve, just simply open the application, and after that just simply select a project or just simply create a new project and just simply go to the editing page. Once you are on the editing tab, just simply go ahead and go to the top left corner of the screen. And from there, you should be able to see the DaVinci Resolve. So just click on that. And after that, a drop down will show up and just simply click on check for update, and from there, when there is an update, you should be able to see a button download, so just simply click on download, and from there guys, you should be able to update your DaVinci Resolve. So just simply follow the prompts and provide the necessary information, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about DaVinci Resolve, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.